I would just like to inform the public that despite the fact that we had given a load shedding schedule yesterday, which was for a period of 3 hours in the day, today there was this unexpected power cut which has disrupted normalcy over across the state. And I would just like to take the time to just clarify and to inform the public that this power cut has happened because the OTPC Palatana power station in Tripura had to shut down both their units. Earlier we had informed that the load shedding was taking place because one of the units of the OTPC Palatana power station was under maintenance. But due to some unexpected technical snag, both the units have had to go into shutdown, which has meant that there is zero generation from OTPC Palatana power station. This has affected all the northeastern states and including the state of Meghalaya. And we are having to face an additional shortage of about around 37 megawatts of power, which is why suddenly we had to cut power to many locations in the state. And now we have had a meeting and we have discussed this with MECL, with Honorable Chief Minister also, and we have decided that so that we reduce the inconvenience to the general public, that we will be diverting power that is being sent to the industries, and we will be using that for the domestic and public consumers. As and when the OTPC power station is back online, the one unit which has been shut down because of technical snags, we will then restore the power back to the industries. But having said that, I would like to still inform the public that the earlier load shedding schedule, which was notified yesterday, which is for 3 hours at a stretch load shedding, which is for the entire state, that will continue even after the one unit of OTPC comes back online. So the inconvenience is regretted, and I would like to seek and solicit the support of the public here. These are technical problems that have emerged, and despite these kind of challenges and these kind of problems, we are trying our level best so that the public of Meghalaya do not have to face such kind of problems. And we will be continuing with the 3 hours of load shedding even after the power is restored from OTPC Palatana. So for that also we sincerely regret that kind of inconvenience. There was also this other matter regarding routine maintenance of the 132 by 33 kV substations at Maulai, at Mustem and at Noal Bibra. But this, although was planned quite some time back, looking at the kind of the long stretch of time which will in which the public will not be having power, we have also taken a call to discontinue the maintenance work till such time that we are able to stabilize the supply of power. So these maintenance works which were there as per schedule, and these are routine works which happen once in every 3 to 6 months. These are being discontinued because we understand that power cuts for such a long stretch of time would be very inconvenient for people.